There are two types of speakers: those who get nervous and those who are liars. Contest chair, fellow Toastmasters. Everyone has a story. You have a story. This stage has a story. Here I am to share my story. How I overcame the fear of public speaking. My name is Imran and I belong to remote area of country where to speak even Urdu is considered difficult job. How many of you wanted to become a champion public speaker? Yes, we all want, but there is a monsters on our way to destinations. There is a monster, we have to kill this monster in order to reach our destination. My journey begins like a low-budget horror movie. It all started when I joined a new school near my hometown. On first day, I was busy in the daydreaming. All of a sudden, I heard a voice. Teacher, Imran, can you rise up and introduce yourself? He had put me on the spot. 30 pairs of eyes were staring at me. How would you feel if teacher put you in that situation? My mind went blank. My heart started racing. Thud, 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 thud. I could not utter a single word. But I started hearing giggling in the classroom, and the tears rained down my cheeks. That was first time I felt the fear of public speaking. When I was kid, I had many fears. I was afraid of dark, monster under my bed, cockroaches. But I overcame those fears when I grew up. But fear of public speaking? No way. It had stuck with me. It has become a part of my soul. So one day I decided enough is enough. I had to get rid of this monster. I had to kill it. So I started working. I read books. I do online research, met people. So some told me the benefit of public speaking. If I overcame these fears, then I can sound like a leader, change the world, share great ideas, get a great job. And some told me different ways to battle this monster. Talk in front of mirror, do online courses, join public speaking club like Toastmasters. That was first time I realized it is a learnable skill. I had it wrong all the time. I used to think you are either born speaker or not. My dear friends, if you want to speak like your favorite public speaker, yes, you can. You can learn this skill. So I did all these things. But I just want to share 3 things that work for me. The first, make mirror your best friend. Start practicing in front of mirror. You have to conquer yourself before you conquer the world. So I practiced. I in front of mirror. So at least I had one friend who thought I'm good. The second, online courses. They did wonder for me. Here I learned how to vary my tone from up and down, and how to talk really, really fast to get someone excited, how to slow down to get someone attention. And third, as far as public speaking clubs like Toastmasters are concerned, they are fabulous. Here I met fantastic people who are sharing my journey, who are sharing my vision. I had to face them and get feedback on what I did good and what I did bad. My friends, here is a short distance between here and there. But there is darkness and here is sunshine. There is depression and fear that will pull you down, and here is promise of success that will uplift you. But distance from here to there is not an easy journey. You have to face it. And reason why I'm sharing my story with you, not to motivate you to become a public speaker, but to achieve whatever you wanted to achieve. Go out and face your fear. If you have problem, look for the solutions. If nothing exists, create the solution. Don't let fear bury deep inside you. You can all think, but this journey is never ending. There is no finish line in this journey, and there is no finish line in self-growth. You can always become the better version of yourself. My friends, you can always become the better version of yourself. Our limits, our only limits are the limits that we set for ourselves. Our only limits are those that we set for ourselves. Break those limits and start living your life. My friends, if I can conquer this monster, if I can kill this monster, then you all can. Thank you very much.